Wind noise. I like wind noise. Not too shabby. Not too shabby, huh? Not too shabby.
One of those tractors with the big saws on them? Just to come through here and just like...
Oh yeah, fix all this? Yeah, for real. They need it. They need like all this stuff to be cleared away. Whew.
I'll tell Denny when they come and mow up in this area, they come mow there.
Yeah, they should.
They did clear out a bunch of brush over here under the trees.
Did they?
Yeah, it's actually kind of nice.
Oh, look at all this trash.
Oh, dude, it gets worse when we come.
Look at all that. Yeah, I bet it does.
But it's not as bad as I was expecting it to be. But it's
not as
rough.
bad. That is rough. That is so rough, dude. Look at all this water, though. I love this water. You don't mind? I'm just gonna set up the GoPro like right here. All right. Oh, gotta grab this. Of course you did. Really?
First cast.
Of course you did it. You gotta show the camera. Show the camera. Don't show the camera.
First cast in the hobo hole. Oh gosh. He engulfed the headhunter. Look at that. He's a dink, but he's still a precious fish.
Hey, all dinks count around here, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh gosh. You know, I probably should have brought pliers. Oh wait, I think I have pliers.
Well, you got a scale on you at least.
Yeah, I have a scale. I'm not putting him on the scale. He's a good fish, but he's not that good. There we go.
Let's see if I can catch
One last look.
One last hurrah. I'll come back. You're good. You can stay wherever you feel comfortable. Ooh.
Got another one.
Whatever. I got hit.
Oh, he came off. He came off.
Oh, he went around over that way.
No, he came back around this way.
Yeah, he shot out. All right, you know what? I'm gonna throw the glide bait on, see if the glide bait does better.
Dude, this little headhunter is...
Every now and then, dude.
Only in the river. I've never caught a fish with these out at the lake, but here in the river they do really well.
I think there's definitely a different climate to these fish.
Yeah.
They have a different like attitude. I think they're meaner.
Yeah.
I think they're a meaner fish. I don't know if they're like, are they still northern strain like the lake?
I'm sure they are. But I mean, they get more aggressive here in the river because there's so many of them confined to these small spaces.
Maybe.
And they're all competing for the same forage.
They just.
Whereas at the lake, there's like endless forage. You know?
Did you see how beautiful that was?
That was one of the goofiest casts that I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, for real, dude.
It's almost as goofy as that one.
Oh, I love backlashes. They're my favorite. Well, I thought you just set the hook again. I was like, really? Really? Come on, Aaron. Why are you this good?
But hey, I got 1.5 today. Oh, snap. That's a fish. That was a fish. Come back to me, please. Got him. This one's a little better.
You got another one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Look at this one. Another one. He's a little bit longer, but they're just inhaling this thing. These guys are so hungry.
Yeah, they're not as pressured too.
Yeah, this is some good stuff. Good stuff. You know, you're normally the one who's out fishing me on my channel.
You know what? I don't care.
I don't have a camera today, so there's no pressure on me.
I just brought glide baits.
That's fine. You know what's funny? I have my big swim baits and stuff too, and I was thinking about throwing them. But now that I have this on, I don't know. Ooh, 3-pounder, show that thing off.
Oh yeah, check that thing out. Best catch all day. You like that?
It's bigger than any of my fish.
Fought pretty hard too.
I think you need to throw bluegill patterns though.
Yeah, you might be right.
That's the only thing that was working for me the other day. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, I pulled it out too soon. Did you see that?
Yeah, I seen him swirl on it. I'm gonna cast alongside you.
Yeah,
Oh, that's perfect.
that was.
All right, we're gonna go to the next spot. We're gonna go to the next spot. Let's see. Maybe a nice good little view. Nah, I don't want to go here. Let's go further up. I don't like this spot. Mr. Roysta's down there already? Dude, this is a great spot right here to put the camera.
Right? I haven't done anything over here before.
But like just a good spot to put the cameras right there.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to get down here.
Let's hook it.
I got everything on there.
Yeah, let's go. Hello.
You know, I like the camera stand.
It is cool.
I like it's kind of more my style. Like if we go bank fishing, this is probably what I'm gonna take.
Yeah. I've got a.
Dude, I got
I've got a
stuff.
Seiko.
I'm good. I think I'm good. I'm gonna go head hunting today. All right.
Let's go.
Let us. All right.
Not bringing a jacket was a mistake. It's cold.
Dude, I always have a hoodie.
I know you do. Well, first piece of trash I'm pulling out of this spot is
It is a piece of trash because the eye broke on it so quickly. Maybe I should take my sunglasses off when it gets dark.
Maybe.
I gotta set everything up and tie a lure out anyways. You'll be fine. I'm out of breath. How you doing back there, Mr. Royster? Huh? 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 What did you say, son?
What? Pepper!
All right. I kind of like. How's that view? Ooh, dude. A little more over here. You know, I didn't think I was actually gonna get a video today. You know what? I'm just gonna get us again right there. Nice, good looking view right there. Sir, I need you to catch a fish for the channel.
I've already got 2 for you.
And I am very grateful. Don't tell me you got a third already.
No, it's just the bottom. It felt like a fish for half a second though.
That's like the best timing, dude.
I'm gonna try and do it for you.
Hey, I've caught many a fish for your channel.
Yes, yes you have.
Dude, I just got hammered. No way. Holy crap, dude. Oh. That was scared me. I'll work on the other side, yo.
Huh?
I'll work behind you.
No, you can walk up there. That's fine. I'm gonna work like over here. Go for it.
I've got plenty of fish over here. And I can cast further than you can.
That's what you think.
As I lose my lure.
No, really?
Yeah.
Dang. R.I.P.
Rip. This 20-pound line broke way too easy. My knot was terrible. It's only like a $10 lure, so it's not too. I'm not really.
Yeah, you just made it money.
Thanks, Aaron. I appreciate it. I did just give you money to go.
Yeah, yeah, this is true.
So it looks like Aaron's carrying the channel today, y'all.
The algae's not nearly as bad over here.
You have allergies?
Algae? Like all that green stuff?
Algae? Why are you algae? What hurt you?
Sometimes I hurt myself. Just with the decisions that I make.
Like
the friends that I carry, who I invite to go fishing. Oh, dude, a rock just hit my lure so hard just then.
I'm actually tying a Palomar knot on this one. For some reason, I feel like it matters on bigger baits.
Oh, for sure. Oh, snap. That was I thought we were about to have snap. Oh, that was a big old stick. Saw that?
Nice, simple little glide. Going on, nice, simple little glide. Going on. I like that. Ooh, dude. Just like that. Dude, I caught a stick on the other side of the bank.
I saw it.
Oh my gosh.
And he hit it as soon as it hit the water.
Before it hit the water. He hit it while it was still on the bank. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me see. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on in. Come on in, buddy. I got you. You ain't getting away. Catching them tree pounders. All I can seem to catch today.
Oh no.
Mr. Royster there is catching himself some snags. Rip to that lure.
I got it back.
R.I.P.
No, it's right here.
You got that thing back?
Yeah, it hit me in the leg and everything.
Oh, dude, that thing's. Oh, dude, got the lure back.
Got him back. I might have to retie, but
Yeah, you probably for sure need to retie
we'll
with
risk
that.
it. We'll risk it.
You will for sure need to retie with that.
Nah. Just need to bend my hook back a little bit, and then we'll be good.
Yeah, I'm not feeling it over here.
I'm not either. I'm thinking it still might be a little bit too cold. I don't think they've moved into these shallower holes yet.
I think you're right. I think they're all stacked up. Nope. A wee bit of algae.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, dear.
Oh dear. Dude, we need to go back to Bill Evans.
Yeah! Woo!
Can you get him out?
Yes, sir.
He's our beast.
It's all about that slow release.
He's our beast.
It's all about that slow release. Let's see, did I bend any hooks out? Didn't even bend a hook out. Look, oh yeah, I did. Bent that hook out pretty good. You got any pliers on?
I was gonna buy it for you for your birthday, and then you bought it like a week before.
Oh, dude, I just got hit. Yeah, I did. Did you see my line just run?
No.
That's upsetting.
That wasn't a hit. That was a.
Maybe it was a tree pounder.
That was your hook catching your line and causing it to go all wrong.
Alright, you know what? I don't care. It was a bite to me, okay, Aaron?
I remember that one day when you caught your first 6-pounder on the channel?
Yeah.
You're like, it's a bite, I got a bite, and you didn't like land anything, and I was like, oh, okay, here we go. I was like, oh, I got a good fish. Oh, Fran got himself a 3-pounder.
I remember, dude. I remember you like murmuring as you came up, and you're like, oh, dude. I'm sitting there with my hand shaking. Like, I'm sitting there with my hand shaking like a baby. Caught him because I caught like a 3-pounder, or I mean a 6-pounder. It's not even that big of a fish. It's just big to me.
Dude, a 6-pounder is a big fish. Oh, no way.
You know what? I quit. I'm rage quitting now. Oh, no, he got off!
No! That was a decent fish, dude. That was a decent fish.
Rip.
Oh my gosh. I let it sit on the bottom over there.
Yeah.
On that other bank. He was decent. He was a little bit better. He wasn't like
It's a Ned rig day, dude. None of the girls brought Ned rigs.
Dang it, dude. He wasn't a giant. He was maybe like 1.5 pounds. Maybe a pound. But he was definitely better than those other fish that we got.
I am done. I'm rage quitting. This day's over.
That's a...
Oh, you caught the same stick I did you?
Alright, if I break it off, I'm done. If I get it back,
Just don't hit me. Please just don't hit me.
I got it back. One more cast.
Retie, please.
No, I'm not. No retying. We don't got time for that.
Bro, you gotta shoot that sucker across the planet.
I know, you're gonna. Right back in there. In the tree. Okay, that's not a good cast. We need a good cast.
Yeah, we do.
I think one good cast on this side right here. That's not a good cast. I'm in the tree again. Come out of the tree. I'm on like my third last cast.
And we both said we didn't even like the spot. You're over here. I gotta get more.
Dude, that was a good bite. That was a really good bite. I don't think I had a good hook set on him. Oh, that's... And we got it back. Alright, I'm done risking it. I'm getting it snagged too many times now. I'm getting too reckless.
Alright, dude. So that's all I want to make. I don't like, it's, for now, like, that's where my heart is.
Making just fun fishing videos.
Yeah.
And then stomping people in the tournaments.
Only maybe. Only maybe.
Definitely. Hey, at least we know that there's fish over here.
Yeah, we do. At least we know there's fish over there.
Just want to pop off a couple of those. Let them know that they're pop, pop.
Yeah. Didn't work. Oh well.
Didn't work for you.
Almost biffed it.
You almost got a fish.
You know what, Aaron?
What?
I don't care anymore.
It sounds like you care.
Kind of does, doesn't it? So Aaron skunked me today. He whooped me. This was a good video. I like this video. I like this video a lot. This guy made me look like a fool out there. Caught like 3 fish to my 0.
Hey, two and a half. I didn't land
I got a bite, okay?
I didn't land that other one.
All right. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching this video.